You've got to know your market. G'day folks, Danny here with another quick tips video. We're on marketing just now, and the most important thing before you do any kind of tactical stuff is you have to know your market intimately. And by that I mean, you've got to create a client avatar, someone who represents your ideal customer. And that can be drawn from people you already work with or someone you aspire to work with. You have to know, are they male, are they female, what age are they, what is their social demographic? What kind of groups are they a member of? What other interests do they have? You need to dig into this in a big way. And to do this properly will take you 6 to 8 hours, because if you're really doing your research properly, you need to know intimately every aspect of the life this person lives, so you can then build your marketing around understanding them better than they understand themselves. That is the key to successful marketing. Start with being very clear about who you're targeting. That's it for today, folks. I'll talk to you in another video soon.